Greetings with the camera and good day. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with you for the daily analysis of Ripple or XRP on March 4th. By examining the daily time frame, we can see that Ripple's price is still in a downward channel.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
The sharp drop at the beginning of February showed that sellers still have a lot of power. However, after reaching the 1.1198 range, when the price exited its downward channel in the form of a twin failure pattern, we encountered strong support and the price returned to the channel again. The upward movement that was created wasn't strong enough to put an end to the downtrend, and currently, the price is fluctuating around the 1.3927 range. Currently, the most critical daily FVG resistance is at 1.6252, and if the key support at the previous low is lost, we can expect further decline. We are currently observing the inflow and outflow of capital into Ripple ETF funds. You can see that over the past 2 days in this trading week, there has been a significant inflow of capital into these funds. By analyzing the chart, we can observe that over the past month, there has been a consistent average inflow. This, along with the Fear and Greed Index rising to 19, indicates a return of investor confidence to the crypto market. However, we still need to keep in mind that this number is in the extreme fear range, and given the news of the war between Iran and the United States, we cannot expect a strong rally in the crypto market. The conflicting factors we have are causing the price of Ripple to remain range-bound within a trading zone. And here you can also see that after the war began, we initially saw a sharp price drop, which resulted in a lower low compared to the previous bottom. Afterward, with the strong support that came from the crypto market, the price went up and reached the 4-hour FVG zone, and after reacting to this area, it has now settled into a range-bound zone. And over the past 3 days, we've seen the price fluctuate between the range of 1.3345 to 1.4232. We are currently analyzing Ripple's liquidity map. You can see that in its recent move, the price collected the daily low liquidity and its previous low and started an upward movement. At the moment, the price is moving toward its buy-side liquidity in the area of 1.4146. And if this price support continues, it could reach the previous highs and the liquidity zone around 1.4329. Likewise, as the strongest sell-side liquidity, we are seeing the price zones of 1.3322 and also the area of 1.3303. By examining these areas on the chart, we can see that the sell-side liquidity is located at the previous low and also in the 1-hour FVG zone within this area. We are currently analyzing the 1-hour time frame. We can see that the bullish candles that have formed are much larger and stronger than the bearish candles. However, at the same time, the ongoing military tensions in the Middle East mean that there is still a possibility of further decline in the price of Ripple. So, as a result of these factors, we will try to proceed by analyzing the various liquidity accumulations. For example, if we see a price increase up to the previous highs and a liquidity collection and sweep occurs, by observing pin bar and weak candles, which indicate the end of this upward move, we can enter a sell trade and target objectives such as internal liquidity and the 1-hour FVG. Similarly, by analyzing the AMD setup, we observe that during the Asian session, an accumulation phase took place, and in the London session, there was an upward breakout, and liquidity was collected above the previous session. If, after the London session ends, the price returns to the Asian session range, we can expect the third phase, distribution to the downside, to begin with the start of the New York market. Wishing you success and profitable trades.